To fix Cash App not accepting payments, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for successful transactions. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or has a strong cellular signal. Next, verify that your Cash App account is active and in good standing. Check for any pending issues or restrictions on your account by logging into the app and navigating to the Profile section. Update the Cash App to the latest version, as outdated versions may cause compatibility issues and prevent payments from being accepted. You can update the app through the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Check your payment method to ensure it is valid and has sufficient funds. Make sure your debit or credit card information is up to date, and your card has not expired. If you are using a bank account, verify that it is linked correctly and has a positive balance. Clear the Cash App cache and data to resolve any technical issues. This can be done by going to your device settings, selecting the Cash App, and choosing the Clear Cache and Clear Data options. Restart your device to ensure all changes take effect and the app is refreshed. This can often resolve minor technical issues and allow payments to be accepted again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps and help resolve any account-related issues that may be preventing payments from being accepted. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue preventing Cash App from accepting payments. Remember to always keep your app and account information up to date to avoid future issues.